because Jayashree Madam has told she has given a quiz, so that's why I am taking 1 or 2 minutes late so that all students can join the class. 64 students they have joined. I hope everybody has completed the quiz. Now let us start today's class. We'll try to go a little bit fast because portion is too much. So I hope you people also cooperate so that you can complete a little portion. And coming to the syllabus for your IA1, whatever we are going to discuss till today, it is there for your IA1. So prepare well. Any further discussion we'll have with your representatives later. And 3 questions will be there. Question number 1, 2, 3. And the same format what you have already seen last semester. Before that, the same format will be there. And syllabus till today whatever I am going to discuss now. And for more information you can talk to your representative, then your representative can talk to me. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
And a set we have discussed. I want you people to just see these things. We have already discussed the table 4.2 indirectly. I want you people to just go through, read this sentence, take a 10 to 15 seconds to read this sentence. Set objects have a wide range of methods corresponding to the properties of a mathematical set. The most useful, the properties you have already studied, you know. For example, these you have studied, disjoint, subset, superset, etc., union, intersection, and difference, symmetric difference. These things you know. The same thing is just tabulated in this particular slide. Now I'll just wait for 10 seconds. Nothing is there in this it is there in the book, the same snapshot I have taken. If it is other than textbook, I'll spend more time on that slide. So let us go to the see this program. What I am doing, A equal to, B equal to I am assigning another set, union I am taking, intersection I am taking, the difference and symmetric difference. The same functions I am using what I shown in the previous slide, and observe the output. I am not asking the output, just I want you people to see the program and observe the output. For old question paper, you discuss with your seniors and take from them. Union, all of you know meaning of union, and duplicates will not be there. For example, here also I have a 2, here also I have a 2, 4, 4, 2 times will not get, which we have discussed in the previous class already. An intersection, and 2 and 4 are common. The difference, symmetric difference. Just do it and execute it, check it so that you will get an idea. And let us go to the next slide. Immutable, mutable we have discussed many times, and I want you people to just go through again. This is not a new, like a revision you can say. Only immutable are shown as a check mark, and these are all mutable. Intentionally I have put some box so that you can distinguish between the mutable and immutable. Here you can see set is a mutable, frozen set is a immutable, and remaining are discussed. Only today we have to discuss a frozen set. It is a immutable. All are discussed already: int, float, list, tuple, etc. So just for your information, let us go to the next slide. I'll wait for another 3-4 seconds. Just a revision, nothing is new. It's just a revision for you. And how the Python works, I want you people to observe. Today I'm going to show you a few slides where I will come to know how the Python works and how it behaves for a code, so that your expectation may be different, how it behaves may be different, so that you are supposed to remember. Now A equal to I am assigning. Now one set 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the element. A equal to A union, I am using one more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A will become union of these two. What I am doing, I am printing now. First, A equal to address of A I am printing. Now address of A, just observe, I am getting some address. 1, 2, 3, 4, some address I am getting. Now after this, A equal to A, union of this. Do you think, again I am printing the content of A content will be easy. You can type and you can write it. But what about the address of A will remain same or will it change? You can type your answer in the chat box. Yes or no. Change? No change. You can type in the chat box. It may be wrong also, no problem. Just tell whether it will remain same or change in the chat box. Fast. Okay, thank you Jnanashri, Mahima, Bibi Mariam, Shrikant, Sri Lakshmi Priya, Soumya, Sahana, Namrata. Change, no change. Both the answers are there in your chat box. Vijayanand, Naina and Vijayanand. Akshita, names are going very fast. Okay, good. Both answers are there. Just check it now. Sanju, Vachan Shettar is telling it will change. Very good. And Balakrishna, Anusha, all are telling it will change. Very good. Akshay is telling no change. Aishwarya is telling change. Okay, just see it. Observe. Anusha is telling will change. Okay, good. I'm happy with your answers. Many are telling change, no change. But let us see what will be the answer. It is a executed program. Just I am sharing with you. Nothing as it is. See, I have printed the content of A now after the union. And address I am printing, see the address 680 I am getting. This is an executed program. Even you people can also execute the program. You can observe the addresses. Address you may not get these as it is, but these two addresses in your execution you may find same. So just think on this. I'll give the time also, and you can execute also later. And now B equal to 8899 I am assigning as another set. A equal to A union B I am doing. Now a content of A I am typing, printing. Again address of A I am printing. Now I would like to know whether the A address will remain same or not. Content you people can do it. I don't want content. I want address. Type the address will remain same or change. Hrishikesh has typed change. Remain same. Sindhu is typing. Good. Same. Lakshmi Priya. Change. Baby Marian. Change. Neelambika. Good. Others also you can just think and tell. No change. Ashwini. I appreciate your answers. Right or wrong, secondary. Amit, Mahima, Namrita, Aparna, Akshay, and Rohan, Sahana, Jyoti, Sahana, Goprapal, Akshay, Suraj Sheth, Anusha, Aditi. Many are telling same change, same change. Both answers are there. I appreciate your answers. Sanjana, Darshini, Jnanashri, Darshini, Mohan. Okay. I'll show you the answer. You can check whatever you have told, whether it's right or wrong. So now, these may be sometimes surprising you, but you are supposed to execute. You have to make your code, check it 10 times. What I got, I'm showing with you. That's all. What I got, no doubt, union is not a problem. All of you can understand. But address is now different. This is the way how the Python works. When I'm appending with the same name, A set, I'm just union. If I'm doing the direct numbers, address is remaining same. When I took another variable, it is changing. So this is one point which you have to remember. Take a 1 minute, just take a snapshot of the slide if you want, and you can execute. If it gives a different answer, you can share with me. Network is going. I'll try to reconnect if it goes. This is a snapshot after execution of this program. Addresses of A, B, C, D I have printed. All the addresses are same. Now I'll make a small changes in the code. Let me know how you think and how the Python works. Is it same or not? Again, I want you people to tell about the addresses. Content is not a problem. Even high school student can tell, primary school student can tell, but the addresses I want you people to think. So let us go to the next slide. We will see how many of you will type. I want you people to type the addresses. I am not typing anywhere content. I am not printing. Only addresses I am printing. And A equal to 256, B equal to 259. Take a little time and understand. C equal to A plus 3. E equal to 259. D equal to 256. I am printing the addresses of A, B, C, D, E. Now I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 addresses. Whether all 5 are same or different, or how many are same. Rishikesh has typed first and second same, remaining also same address. First and equal to last, BCD are same according to Rishikesh Kulkarni. And let me see what others are thinking. Let them type any addresses. Akshay has typed, Suhasini has typed, Vandana, and Vandana has typed only 4 addresses. Mahima 5 address, good. Jyoti has typed BCD is equal, and Aishwarya has typed, Pooja has typed, Nanashri has typed, very good, and Akanksha has typed, and Soumya has typed, Sri Lakshmi, Akshata, Aditi Mahale, Suraj, Shades, Lakshmi Priya, Akash, Sindhu has typed, Baby Marian has typed. The addresses are, what they are typing may be different because their assumption is different. 120 somebody is taking, another 250 somebody is taking, but is it same or not, first and last, for example second and third, that I am just checking. And Meenakshi has typed Akshay, Parvati Devi, and most of them they are typed second and third same, and Sanjana has typed, Srinivas has typed, Sanju, Namrita, all have typed their answers, and Rahul, Ramprasad, Aishwarya, Inamdar, she has also typed the answer. We'll check what you have typed, what is actually answer is. Let me share the slide with you people so that you can check. Balakrishna is typing, Shiva Chindi has typed, and let us check whether the answers are same or not. Most of them they are telling B, C, D are same, A and E are same. Most of the students they are telling, and Rashmi has typed only the B answer. Let me check what is the answer now. Sumeru has typed some addresses. Thank you. All are typing, I am happy to see. And few more names I am expecting, they are not typing. Very good. For others, let me show the answer. First and last, most of them they are typed same. They are typed second, third, fourth are equal. Check it. A is 256. D is 256, hence A address is, D address is same. And idea of A, I think second is what, second print is idea of B, I think second print, and last idea of E. I am finding 259B, 250, okay, B, E, both are 259, their addresses are also same, I think 76, and last. I don't know how many of you have typed this. I'll give 1 minute. Just snapshot I am sharing with you. I am not typing any addresses. Whatever I got from my computer, online simulation it is, and I am sharing with you. And you also can execute these things and check it. And most of the time we expect, for example, C equal to A plus 3. Okay, this will become 259. This address should become same. We expect. Python doesn't work like that. When I assign E equal to 259, B and E will become same, but not C is also 259, its address will be different. No need to add plus 3, you can take some other numbers and try to do like this and check the addresses whenever you are getting the time. So take another 10 seconds and observe and note down the answers so that you can check it whenever you are having a time. You can simulate and you can cross verify. You can say, sir, this answer was like this I am getting, you can share with me, and even if something is entirely different, we'll discuss in the classroom also. Let me go to the next. Frozen set is what? A frozen set function returns an immutable frozen set object, initialized with the elements from the given iterable. It is a one word what you have to remember is, frozen set is just an immutable version of a Python set object. We have discussed the set. What is the difference in frozen set is? Frozen set is a immutable, whereas a set is a mutable. There is only one point which you have to remember in this slide. Take a maximum 1 minute, read it. Only one word I have highlighted that you have to remember, you have to note down. What is that? Frozen set is a immutable. We will see the examples. And why we have to go for frozen set when set is there? The one slide is given in the textbook, one that whatever given in the textbook I have made only one slide, and extra slide I have prepared from some other websites and all. Just I will share with you. According to book only one slide is enough, but I am taking more slides. I want to go a little fast. Let us go to the next slide. See what I am doing here. Observe carefully. A equal to set of this 1, 2, 3. I am assigning. Print A. A will be printed 1, 2, 3 as it is. B equal to set of. Again I am using Q, 1, 2 something, but A I am using here. So such thing is not possible in the Python. It will show you the error. So what is the solution for this, sir? If I say A as a set, I cannot use it in as a part of another set. This is a problem in the Python. Sir, I want to use, then you have to make this as a frozen set. Then only you can make use of that. So next slide, the same code is there almost. You can observe. You can note also. I can give, even this is visible in the next slide. I have made, copied and pasted for your reference. What I made, this is from previous slide, what you observed just now, for your reference. Instead of set, I am taking as a frozen set. Now the same A I am using like this. Now it will not show you any error. Take 1 minute and compare and note down. Now this B set can have a A set. It is possible only when if I declare this as a frozen set. Otherwise it will show you the error. Only this much information is given in the textbook. I want you people to copy down this and understand about the frozen set. And the few more points I will try to cover on the frozen set. Another 20 seconds you can take, but I want you people to copy down. Only one if you copy down, it's enough. Both are same. Only a small change is there. Instead of set, I have to make it as a frozen set. That's all. And you can make changes. Curly brace if I use instead of set of, you can do it. Okay. There also you can write frozen set of A. A equal to frozen set of A you can use. Those things you can try. You can do it. No doubt nothing is going to happen. Your computer will not burn. You can do it. So let me go to the next. Write the output in the chat box. I am printing A. After changing A of 2 equal to 22, I want each one of you type your answers in the chat box. Whether it's right or wrong, it is immaterial for me. I want you people to think whatever you are getting in your mind, just type it. Whether it's right or wrong, don't worry. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. A of 2 I am making 22. I am printing it. What I may get output? Just type it in the chat box. Okay, somebody is typing. Very good. Answer may be right or wrong, no problem. Dhanasri has typed. Most of the students, they have typed answers. But everybody is typing error. I expected somebody will type answer error. Very good. Nobody typed anything other than error. Okay, thank you. No doubt it will show you the error. I thought everybody is in fast, they will type something. No doubt. It doesn't support a assignment. Each element I cannot access, each element I cannot assign. So this is an error, 100% true. I didn't expect that everybody will give the same answer. I thought some people will type something 0, 22, 2, 22, 6, 8. Somebody will type. But nobody typed that answer. Out of 73 students, I think nobody typed that. But few people they told errors. Few people they hesitated to type. But it is correct. It is going to give an error. Now I'll give a 10 seconds just see it, and then I'll go to the next slide. I have a class on Saturday also. I think I may be having a class on Tuesday also. 2 classes I'll get. I think your IA is on Tuesday. I don't know, but 20, 21. Anyway, Saturday I'll get a class. We'll have a discussion about the IA if you have any doubts. So let me go to the next. Observe here. When I say these are all extra I am using out of your textbook. My friend I am assigning some names, and my friends dot add Basappa, something I am adding, I am printing. Those will be printed. Raju, Mallappa, Shiva, along with the Basappa, everything will be typed, printed on the screen. Now, frozen friends equal to frozen set of my friend I am taking. Means these will be considered, whatever I have, Shivu, Raju, Mallappa, but I am adding Siddhappa. I am trying to add to the frozen friends. That time it will show the error. But beginning, when I took a set, when I am adding, it will take, but if I take it as a frozen set, if I try to add, it has shown the error. Just observe, take a few seconds and understand. If you try to execute, even code also I will try to share later. Take another 10 seconds, observe. Okay, let me go to the next. Observe this carefully. So now what I have done changes. Only instead of using that function, I use the symbol, but it is working. This is how the Python works. You can try. You will get a lot of questions in your mind. Just try instead of asking. And I want you people to conclude something on the frozen set. And I'll give 3 or 4 minutes in the next class. Somebody can do the conclusion. Sir, if you do like this, it's universal. It is like this only. It will work. And here it is working. These are all executed programs I'm showing you. Hope you people can see. This is a snapshot. Copy paste I had done. And if I use the function, it is not working. If I use the symbol, it is working. It's the way how I found. You people also can explore and try and share the whatever the knowledge you are getting with me also and your classmate also. Let me go to the next. Just read it, answer result I'll show you. A equal to I am assigning. Print the A, ID of A frozen set of A, this only, but frozen set I am making. I am printing the address of a frozen set now because it is A is a frozen set. And A equal to A union, I am using something, again address of the frozen set, and that frozen set also I am printing. B equal to, this is the same code what I use, but extra I have added as a frozen set compared to the previous code, and I am printing. The same code I will show you in the next slide. Take another 10 seconds to see this. This I will show you. Again, along with this result also I will share, so that you can understand how it works Python. The same program I will show you in the next slide. This is the same program what I have shown you in the previous slide, and these are the outputs. I simulated in some other simulator. That's why a result looks differently, a background is different. So observe carefully. A set is printed as it is, 0, 2, 4, 6 like that, and A address is printed. Anyway, I will try to share all this code with you people. What I want to show you is address of A. When I make a frozen set, address may not remain same. Like this I wanted to convince you or convey you some information. And to check that, it takes hardly a few seconds for you to do the simulation. Take A equal to some one set, make a frozen set with the same name. See the addresses whether it will remain same or not whenever you get a time. I found addresses were not same. You people can try. Okay. So let me go to the next. And this is not a set. I am using a list. This is another very interesting I found. And I can make changes. Any of 3 equal to 99. I am printing the same. Initially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9 was there. After assigning any of 3, 99, I am printing, hence it is a 99 here. What I am making changes, I am making this into frozen set. Even though it is not a set, it is a list. I am using frozen set of this list. Then if I, again I am printing it, fnum. But when I try to make changes the way how I have done, nu of 3, I am trying for fnum of 3, it will show you the errors. This is one important point which you have to remember. But any of three I can change again. Again, instead of 19 I am making 123, I am printing it. Take a 1 minute and understand, and you can execute this program as it is later, and even you can make changes in the program, execute and try to understand. Not only the frozen is used just for a test, even a set they have used for a list also, and even it works like this. It is not there in the book, but just for your information I am sharing. Hence I want to go a little fast, because covering the syllabus as it is in the textbook itself is impossible. When we add extra, it becomes still more impossible. Hence a little fast you have to go, so that we can cover little syllabus. Otherwise it's like an ocean which is difficult to cover everything. Take a snapshot, try to understand, and if possible I will share all the code with you people, and even if somebody is having the code you can also share in the classroom, so that others will be benefited. Let me go to the next. Observe the program and the result. I am taking A equal to 02468. Print address, A address I am printing. Print A content I am printing. And B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am taking a AF equal to AF union of B. And I am printing AF as well as address of the AF I am printing. So nothing is extra here. Just I have tried, even though AF I have taken address, whether AF will changes or not, just I wanted to check it. Frozen set is a, can I append, can I do union? Yes, I can do. What about the addresses? You can check it. So make a code, make changes in the code and print it, so that you will come to know whether the address will change or not. So let me go to the another. Just I am taking how to make use of is disjoint, is subset, is superset, etc. Just I have shown you. And A 1, 2, 3, 4, B is 3, 4, 5, 6, C is 5, 6. Frozen set. I am making use of these functions, and result will be either true or false. And for this case, all the answers are true. This is the way how we can use it. A is a disjoint of C. A or C is a subset of B, true or false. You may get answer as a true or false depending upon the elements in that particular set. Take another 10 seconds, just try to understand. And don't always target on getting a good marks. Even marks are also important. Try to understand the Python, how to write program and all, because sometimes many students they score good marks, but they are unable to crack the interviews. So please not only concentrate on marks. So I want you people to type the answers. Now what I am doing, x equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to x, print x and y. I want you people to type what is the x value, y value in the chat box. X equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to x. I am printing x and y. I want each one of you to type the answers in the chat box. First answer is very simple. You will get x equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to 1, 2, 3. I will show you the answer also. At least I want you people to type second. When I append, say x dot append 4, again I am printing now x and y. I want you people to type the answer x equal to how much, y equal to how much. Fast. Do it in the chat box. Whether right or wrong, type the answers x equal to y equal to. Answers may be wrong or right, don't worry. Thank you, Pooja. Okay. Satvik, Anusha, Aishwarya, Soumya, Nayana, Sanjana has typed. Good. And Sahana, Parvati Devi, Surat, Arshya, Vandana, Rishikesh, Namrita, Akshita, Priyanka, Darshini, Lakshmi Priya, Nilambika, Megha, Vijanan, Rohan, Meenakshi. And let me go back and see your chat box. If somebody has typed something different, and BB Mariam has typed different, and anybody else has typed something different answers. Let me check. I think only BB Mariam has typed the answer different. Others answers are all same. I am taking few more seconds just to check who has typed what. Thank you. All of you have typed almost same answer, and Amit has typed something different compared to others. Okay. Can you? Okay. Anyone of you can tell your answers are different. I think BB Mariam and Amit. Second answers are different compared to others. Anyone of you can unmute and you can tell why. Maybe wrong answer also. I appreciate you because you have come forward. I want any one of you to talk and give your answer. Don't hesitate. We are all friends. It may be wrong also. I appreciate because you are coming forward to say what you are thinking, because we have not yet covered. Even the answers are wrong. Thank you, Amit.
Y is equated to x, no sir?
Yes.
So what x will carry the this thing? What x is having, the same thing will be the y will be having.
Okay, thank you, Amit. And anybody? I think one more answer. BB Mariam's answer is different. Can you talk, madam? Let me listen your voice at least. Even the wrong, no problem. Come forward and talk.
Hello, sir.
Please, madam.
Sir, as x is appended, so y will also append.
Okay, thank you.
We are equating y.
Okay, thank you very much. And answers, all of you can see here. The answer, what you get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let me take another instruction, and this will conclude the something. Okay, I don't want to tell directly. X equal to, I am assigning 0, 22, 33. Again I am printing x and y. I want you people to type x and y answers now. We will see how many of you will type correct answer this time. I am assigning x equal to 0, 22, 33. I want you people to type the answer. X and y will be how much after printing on the screen. Think, take a few seconds and think and type your answers. Let me check whose answer is different. Okay, and few students are typing. Very good. Good. I want to. Okay. Soumya, Dhanasri, Pooja, and Harshavardhan, Rishikesh Kulkarni, Arsha, Akshata, and Kruti, Meenakshi, all are typing their answers, but very good. More than my expectations, most of them they are thinking. I am very happy to see your answers. I want you people to talk also. For example, Jnanashri, Parvati Devi, Sahana, they have typed first answer 0, 22, 33. Second answer they have typed 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you people to say something. Any one of you, Sahana, Parvati Devi, Soumya, can you please tell something? Unmute and tell one word or one line. Any one of you, Sahana? Let me listen to your voice. Even though it's wrong, don't worry, because I have not yet covered. What you are telling is you are thinking, and I appreciate, even though your answer is wrong. Sahana, Parvati Devi, Soumya, tell something. Think that it's an interview. Somebody is asking a question to you people. Let me check. Anybody has typed like that? Okay. Suhas has typed 1, 2, 3, 4. Akash has typed. How anybody can tell 1 or 2 lines? According to you, why? The second answer 1, 2, 3, 4 they are typing Sindhu and Nilambika. Why the second is 1, 2, 3, 4?
Excuse me, sir. I'm Sindhu.
Okay.
Sir, X value is updated no sir 0, 22, 33.
Huh.
So it will change and Y value remains same because we did not update it.
Okay, thank you. But some students will be asking the question. Here we have updated only the x, but y was changed. But now again I am changing here x, but y is not changing. I want you people to just see this once or twice. And next slide I will show you the answer also, and just read the answer. So take a 10 seconds, just see the answers. You can take a snapshot. I'll show you the why so. Okay, let us go to the next. Just read these few lines. Why so? The program is still here. The content of the value and a variable. This is very important. X equal to y. When y is immutable means that x now has a copy of the value of y. If x equal to y, when y is mutable means that x is a reference to the same value as x. So these things will create a little headache to you people unless you execute and conclude yourself. It will take a time. You have to practice. Then only you will become expert. Otherwise, it takes a time. And let me go to the next. It's the way how we do the declaration. A equal to 1, 2, 3, it's nothing but a set, all of you know. And B equal to, if I do like this, it is not a set, it will be taken as a dictionary. If I want like this only set, I have to declare like this, empty set. Frozen set, this is the way how I declare. And empty frozen set, this is the way how I declare. If I declare like this, f equal to frozen set of 1, 10 times, 100 times, it will take only 1. Duplicates are not allowed. Take a 30 seconds and try to just read twice or thrice and understand. Okay, another 5 seconds, I'll go to the next slide. Okay. Try to see here. Another interesting, but time is very less. A equal to I am assigning, B equal to another set. Print A dot ADDB, I am printing. Second is I am using a frozen set of B. Now I am getting an error when I print A dot ADD of B. In some many time you will find this, it's unhashable. This is one word, hashable, unhashable. Just I wanted to share with you a little information because these words will be coming here and there in the textbook also. So just see the meaning of hashable. I don't want to explain much because this is not given in the book in detail. Hashing function is a function which takes an object, say a string such as Python, and returns a fixed code. For simplicity, assume the return value is an integer. When I run hash of Python, in Python 3 I get say something, some integer number. No matter how many times I run this hash of Python, I'll get the same integer number. If I write hash of Java, the return value will be different, not what I got Python. It will be entirely different. When the object changes, the return value also changes. I want you people to read it, take a 20 seconds, understand. Even if you do not understand, I'll show you the example in the next slide. So class strength is 73 now. Another 5 minutes I'll take, another 3-4 minutes, then we'll try to conclude the class. Let me go to the next slide. When I say print hash of Python, I'm getting something. How I'm getting, leave it. That is no need to worry. Print hash of SDMCT, if I call this 10 times, this value will remain same. How it's coming, leave it. Similarly, print Python, again the same number is coming. Print SDMCT, what I got previously I'm getting same. If you do this 20 times, you get the same. Now, if I try A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, this is a list, this is a what? Tuple. If I try with the A, it will give you the error, it is unhashable. Just try to understand why. No doubt somebody will conclude, definitely. Immutable are hashable. There's one sentence which I are supposed to conclude. I'm just sharing a lot of information with you so that you can conclude that one line. When you have all these results with you, programs and their result or errors, it's easy to conclude that sentence. So let me go to the next. This is for your information. Again the same. A set of 1, 2. Here I am getting an error. Line number also intentionally I have copied. 14th line. I am getting error. Observe this carefully. Unhashable. Set is unhashable. Frozen set is hashable. And tuple is immutable. And when I make a small changes, this I made as a comment. When I execute it, program is executed. Just take a 30 seconds, observe. And when I can go for a hash, when I cannot go for a hash. So that this word you will understand whenever it comes in the textbook, hashable, unhashable, at least you will come to know the meaning of that. And you try to execute these programs. Anyway, somebody may be copying all this screen recording, somebody may be doing. And this is one simplest program you can try. All of you know the resistor color codes. Anybody is remembering? What is a color code for 2.2K? I want all of you to type in the chat box. 2.2K colors you type. How many colors are there? Color names you type in the chat box for 2.2 kilo ohm resistor. Hope all of you are in 5th semester and you have completed 3rd and 4th semester. You have used the resistors. For 2.2K color code you can write. Nobody out of 72 students. So nice. I'll wait for another few seconds. I'm expecting even wrong answer at least in the chat box. I don't expect you to type 100% correct. You type a wrong answer. Sanjana has, let me see. No, it's a previous answer only. Anybody, just type it. 2.2K. Answer may be wrong, no problem. At least type the color code. Okay. Sir, this is for 1, this is for 2. Type at least few, whichever you know. At least one color. Type it. Color code for a resistor. At least 2 is for this, 3 is for this, 4 is for this. At least one color you will be knowing. Na? I want you people to type in the chat box one color and one number for that. Nobody knows. Huh? Are you there or not? Yeah? Any one of you unmute and tell. Are you there, all of you?
Sir, scroll down the chat box.
Oh, sorry. Okay. They are written. Very good. Okay, I have hided that. Red 2, red, Pavitra, Surasit. Okay, BB Roy, somebody has written. Aishwarya. Okay, thank you. And most of the students, they are writing red color only. And Pavitra Raikar, somebody has typed red. Okay. And 2 for red. It's correct. Red, gold, somebody has typed. Sanjana, very good. And red, gold, Rohan has typed. Okay, RRG, okay, good. Most of them they are typed. See, what you can write, a small program you can write in the Python. You can expect the color code from a user and it should give you the value. All of you know this table and tolerance I didn't discuss, but tolerance also somebody has written gold and you can make use of that also. And whenever they give the colors, you should be able to tell the value of that resistor. All of you know how you calculate, that is given in this particular slide. Take this as a homework and whenever you are free, you can just write a program and try to simulate it and share that with me so that I can share in the class with your name. Okay, I think this much I wanted to cover today. Syntactic sugar, I think it will take 5-6 minutes. You have another class. I will conclude today's class up to this portion is there for IA. This we may not include syntactic sugar, which I am going to cover on Saturday, but don't bunk the class. Okay, try to be regular. So now I'll stop sharing the screen.